Hello friends, this is Dr. Manish Raut and let us discuss today's question. In today's question, one compound is given, compound A. This compound on oxidation with HNO3H2, we need to predict what kind of product we are getting. So first of all, let us check the reaction. When this compound A is treated with HNO3, H2. As we know, HNO3H2O is an oxidizing agent, and this oxidizing agent will convert CHO group, aldehyde group, into carboxylic acid as well as primary alcohol also into carboxylic acid. Okay, so in this case we are getting the product. Here there is a CHO group present and one primary alcohol is also present. Therefore, when these both will get oxidized, secondary alcohol will remain intact. So these two OH groups will remain intact. While this one will convert into COH and this one will also convert into COH. If we are giving so what is the type of this compound, whether it is optically active compound or not, let us check. This is a chiral center present and this is also a chiral center present. Here this chiral center is attached to OH, COH and one group is hydrogen. Here also COH, OH and other group is hydrogen which is below the plane. Okay, now if you are checking this one group is above the plane, the other OH group is below the plane. Three groups, each carbon is attached to similar kind of group. So this is a constitutionally symmetric molecule. Constitutionally symmetric molecule. So in such molecule there is a chances of compound may be optically inactive due to opposite chiral centers. Means one chiral center is going to be R, the other chiral center is going to be S. How to identify? Just give the RS nomenclature to this center. First priority OH, second priority is COOH. For this center I am giving the RS nomenclature. Third priority is this one. Fourth priority is hydrogen 1 2 2 2 3. So this compound, this carbon, since it is an anti-clockwise direction and fourth priority group is above the plane, so final answer is going to be R for this center. If you are checking for the another chiral center, so another chiral center, first priority for this chiral center, first priority is OH, second priority again COH, third priority is the other group, and fourth priority is hydrogen which is below the plane. 1 2 2 2 3, 1 2 2 2 3. Again direction is an anti-clockwise direction, but hydrogen is below the plane, so it is a S configuration. Now within a molecule, two chiral carbon with similar groups at each carbon atom, one is R, one is S. Such molecule is a meso compound. And meso compound, if it is a meso compound, it is optically inactive compound. And that's why, so it is optically inactive compound. As it is a meso, this option is correct here. Another way of looking at the molecule is, again I will write this molecule OH, the product of the molecule, and here OH and COOH and COOH. At each chiral center there are set of group which are equal. Matlab OH, COOH, there is a hydrogen. Here also OH, COH and one hydrogen is there. Set of group is same. Here below the plane and above the plane, here I can say by looking at the molecule from this center to this center, there is a center of inversion is also present, which is also called as center of symmetry or center of inversion is also present. And whenever the molecule is having center of inversion present, center of symmetry is present, such molecules are the mesoisomers, and such mesoisomers are optically inactive. So correct answer for this question is optically active, as it is meso. Thank you very much.